Hello my friends, my name is Momita and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with another episode of Let's Talk Positivity. In my previous video, I told you people to be happy the way you are and with everything you have. In that video, I got a question that is, I am very good in cooking, but my profession is related to software. So, how can my passion help to improve my career? So, basically, the question I was getting is my passion and profession both are different, and how to manage both of them to make myself happy. I am coming to the answer directly. There are so many people whose passion and profession both are different. They are not working in the same field where they are actually best at. And in that category, there are two types of people. One, though the passion is different, but still the person is happy with his current profession. And two, the person is not happy with the current profession. Till the time you are enjoying your job which you are doing for earning is actually the greatest thing. You just need to manage some time for your passion as well so that you don't miss it. Now let's talk about them who don't like their job but still doing it. That is actually bad, rather very bad. I have gone through this situation when every day I used to think like, dude, I don't want to go office. In that situation, you can consider two options. First, you need to think whether you have that option to take a break from your current job. Because there are some people who don't have much financial responsibilities yet. Maybe they have just started their job, or maybe they don't have a family to take care of. So this kind of person actually can take a break from their current profession to think about something new, what they actually want to do. If you are that fortunate, then please take a break and work towards your dream job. Ask your family or maybe your partner to support till the time you are not able to go there. Just set a time frame, maybe 6 months or 1 year, and work towards your dream job. Until the time, ask someone who can actually support you financially. Or you can also choose to live with your savings. As you are working, you might have some savings. You can choose to live with your savings as well, because whatever you are doing for your own good. Next, the harder situation comes. You don't like your job, you have a different passion, but you can't quit your job as you have financial responsibilities. You have your own family to take care of. I can understand in that situation it becomes a bit challenging to take a break or maybe to switch your career. So, I am going to share some tips which actually helped me to change my career. First, you need to manage some time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour from your daily routine to work on your dream job. Second, manage the time carefully, as you won't be having so much time because you are already working with some company or maybe some business, as well as you have your family responsibilities or maybe other responsibilities. So you can manage very minimum time, maybe in weekdays 1 or 2 hours per day, or weekends you can have much time as well, but the time will be limited for you. So in that limited time, you first need to plan how to work towards your dream job or how to change your career. So first you need to know whatever you are good at, whether you are completely confident about that particular subject or particular sector. If you are confident about that, then it's well and good. If you are not that much confident, then invest your time to learn first. Once you are done with your learning and you are completely confident about that particular profile, you need to work on researching. Take appointment, meet new people who are actually working in that particular field. Slowly you will be able to understand that what is the exact situation, what is the exact amount of earning, what is the amount maybe you need to invest, or what is the exact situation of that particular job. You need to invest at least 30% of your calculated time just to research on that particular work. Trust me, it actually helps. You can go through some books or maybe internet, or maybe some people, you can interact with some people who are already working in that particular area, but genuinely invest some time to have a good research. Trust me, it also helps to build your confidence. So, when you are done with your research, you will be able to understand which way you can actually earn better. For example, if a person loves to cook and very good at cooking, that doesn't mean he or she only can be a chef. They have different options. They can start their YouTube channel, they can start their own restaurant, they can try in any hotel industry. There are different options to earn. Another example, maybe someone is good at dancing. They can be a dance teacher, they can have a dance school, they can be a dance choreographer, a dance stage performer, or maybe TV or any other reality show performer. So they have different kind of options. So you need to understand first how you want to use your passion as a profession. How do you want to earn? You need to start with something and then you can grow, but initially when you don't have much time, you can do all of the things. So you need to understand which one you want to start with. So make your free time useful and invest some time to work towards your dream job or your passion. Maybe one day your passion and profession both will be same. Last but not the least, there are some people I have seen who are not happy with the job, at the same time they don't want to switch their career as well. In that situation, first you need to understand why don't you like your job. Is it because of your company, or is it because of your job profile, because of your management, or maybe because of your timing, because of the office culture? What is the exact reason that you don't like your job? Once you can understand that, you need to work towards that particular area first. The easy option should be you can look for a job change in the same profile. Otherwise, you can ask for a different project or maybe different profile in the same company. You need to understand that all changes will not happen overnight. Till that time, just follow your daily routine and have some quality time for yourself. Engage yourself with different sports or hobbies or maybe household work. One request, if something is bothering in your job, please don't bring your work stress at your home. That is actually bad. Trust me, friends, I have faced all these issues in my life. That is why I am just trying to share. Start your day with happy and fresh mind. Be part of healthy, happy and motivative discussion. It will help you to like your job. Trust me, being happy with your current profession is the best thing ever. So that's all for my today's video. I believe you got some idea about how to be happy when your passion and profession both are different. If you like my video, then please share my video and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna meet you in next episode of Let's Talk Positivity. Till that time, stay safe, stay home and stay positive. Bye bye. Take care.